So today we are going to work on transferring from an E form bar chord to an A form. So E form bar chord, A form bar chord. So this is A, and this is C. A, C. So we're going to be going. And we can switch this up and we could go from A to E to A to E. So, we've got A, E, E, So really what we're working on is our transitioning from so opposed to having to do we can just go so last movement on the guitar. So we go from all E forms to now E and A forms, where we can go so it's much more efficient. So we're gonna go from A so you're going from A form to up to E form to A form to E form.